Hello and welcome to another episode of Goa 365's Face to Face. Now, Goa has been seeing a lot of political turmoil, and the BJP, even though it's been under pressure and it's suffering from anti-incumbency and all that, is still quite strong. The opposition parties, on the other hand, especially the Congress, have been on the back foot for a variety of reasons, maybe because of the advent of the newer parties like AAP, which has been doing a lot of work on the ground, and the new kid on the block in Goa, at least with so much of concentration, the TMC. Now with me is a very close friend of mine, Trajan De Mello. Trajan has been a part of the political fixture of Goa for a very long time, right from the time when he was associated with a person, a very, very senior politician who's no more with us, Dr. Wilfred D'Souza. He's been associated with him right from those days, and then later on he went up on his own, he did his own thing, and even till today he is known as a very, very firebrand spokesman who's not willing to back down on anything and willing to take on the government on anything, especially the way he's been doing in the Congress. But I think the story which unfolds from there, the best person to tell you would be Trajan himself. What happened, how and what exactly is the situation. Trajan, welcome to our show.
Thank you.
Then tell us, the people of Goa and even us are very interested in knowing what exactly transpired, especially in like when there are 2 months for the election. Trajan.
See, you have said people of Goa are interested to know.
Very much.
I am wondering whether people, and I believe the people of Goa are frustrated to see what we are doing to unseat this government that is making the people of Goa suffer. Are the people of Goa, in you as a very close journalist that I know you, and you have very often given me good advices, and I have accepted them with all my humility. Do you believe that my party, I say the Congress party, is doing enough to unseat this government? Now, I am a spokesperson, as you have said in the beginning. I have never ever hesitated to take on the government head on.
Absolutely.
For the last 3 months, have you seen us? And when I was asked by a local channel, why are you silent? Have you compromised with the government in power? What was I supposed to say? I was compromised? Was I not supposed to say that I am not permitted to speak and take on this government head on?
Wait one second. Who has basically told you not to take on the government?
See, you know, it appeared that I was in a very good rapport with the PCC president. But I managed, because my turmoil is going for the last 1.5, 2 years.
Okay.
I also told him on his face as a friend, the way you are going after the tremendous defeat of the Lok Sabha polls, which I was his main campaigner, you know it.
Yes.
That you will go in history down as the worst president Congress has seen. I told him as a friend that we have to make the corrections in place. Then came the Jilla Panchayats.
Yes.
Wipe out. There was an incident of Sankwal which went unopposed.
Yes.
On that very day I questioned him. He and the LOP came together and created such a raffle. Are we going to do?
When you mean LOP, leader of opposition, Digambara
Yes,
Kamath.
yes.
Yeah, okay.
Now it happened and I asked him, I said, what is this happening? No, I'll tell you after this. Then I spoke to him, he said, I don't want to take that person's name. He said the person who's in charge, was in charge of Sankwal, has... I said, but there's a rumor of money. He said, yes, I know it. Money!
Okay.
He said, yes. And we'll discuss it. I'll call the PCC meeting. I said, it is required. But let the Jilla get over because that was first, no? After the Jilla, everything got over. After 2 months, nothing is happening. I asked him, I'll do it. Then the person who is charged is supposed to be very close friends. Supposed to be. He's got no friends. He'll sell everybody. Forget the party. So he said, I came to know from genuine, I tried to make my own assessment, that he was used, the money was collected here.
These are serious charges.
I wrote to him.
About this?
Of course, I said, you had said that you are going to bring it up. Where is it? About this means, I produced my letters yesterday to the press. I wrote it to him, and secondly I said, there is a route of all the jillas. We have to discuss it and correct the situation.
Nothing happened. There was
Till today it has not happened.
You mean all the defeats of the Congress
It
party?
has not been analyzed.
Nothing has been analyzed?
No.
No discussion?
Cannot be analyzed.
Why they cannot be analyzed?
Because I have written there the tickets were given for consideration. 25 lakhs of Sankwal have written, and further I said it is being, everybody is saying that tickets were distributed for consideration. At least after that you should have not come out with it. At least reply to me.
There was no reply.
No reply.
No discussion on
Please
why it got
understand,
lost
till
and
today I have
why-
not received, officially I have not received anything to say that I am expelled.
So we can still say that you are the Congress spokesman.
No, I am not a Congress person. I trust the press.
Not that way.
They have to-
Officially, see, you have to have some paperwork.
What
So there has to be some paperwork has to come.
See
to
that
you.
paperwork is legality.
Correct.
Politics and legality don't go together.
Normally they do. They should do it.
They should do it, but they don't. Because the democratic process of the Congress party is ruined. Senior Rane is on record to say that 1.5 years there is no PCC meeting held.
No PC meeting.
Where now they have dissolved something and they have made the PCC yesterday they have declared. When after peace is declared, campaign committee is declared, manifesto committee, what is this? What is the joke is going on? For what is this? All the committees for the purpose of elections are already in place.
Yes.
Okay? How can the PCC have any value now? Number one, wait.
Wait, once I just want to add a little bit to this. Now, P. Chidambaram is a very senior Congress leader. Senior level, Finance Minister of India. He was supposed to be a very, very smart, intellectual, analytical brain. Gundurao was the KPC, Karnataka president. Now, these guys have been camping. I'm not saying campaigning because I don't know what campaigning they can do here. But camping in Goa for the past couple of months. So, is this PCC, the so-called, the Congress High Command is going into inner democracy, all that. Is this not one of the criterias for the party to actually function, especially when it is going into elections immediately?
See, you said the tall leaders of the Congress,
Yeah.
KPCC president,
Former KPCC president, who is the in charge now?
strategist, top strategist, tall leader, does
at
not
all
give
level,
you
all India level.
does not give you the criteria to become an honest, uncompromising leader.
Okay.
I will give you, for example,
Hard words, Rajan.
yeah, I will give you the so-called tall strategist leader that is appointed went to Karangut,
Yes.
where the whole bloc and the three strong aspirant candidates there were there, and a hue and cry that the BJP MLA from that constituency should not be taken.
Yes.
Now, this is not my feelings. These are the feelings of those people. And there is a situation where the Congress can be trusted. That is expected of Congress workers, not outside workers. There. When you are questioning how well it taken, not taken, there is an element of doubt in their minds. Was it not this tall leaders' duty to create confidence in them by saying nothing will happen such thing? Bloc will be degrading, bloc will be... PCCI decided not to talk about, not to have any alliances. And you all are openly talking about them. So, if PCC is not cared for, to make matters worse, when he is out, the press ask him, what about that BJP MLA? He said, I don't know who's he. What strategies are you? If you are not prepared to identify an enemy, who have come to be those three candidates? Create confusion, then eliminate them? Do you know that the people are already approaching them separately to accept that BJP fellow, to break that group? I'm talking about 3 days ago.
Really?
1 minute. The same tall leader, which you claim tall, as I told you, does not give anybody the right to say that he may be however great tall, that he is uncompromising character. He is on record on Twitter to say that he feels sorry that he cannot start a discussion within the party, and the safest arbor is silence.
Are you serious?
He's on Twitter.
It's on record.
Yes. So, what are you talking about tall and short and all that nonsense? It has no meaning to me. When you admit that the safest harbor is silence, I'm going to remain silent? No way.
That I don't expect from you.
No,
And
I will not.
Don't expect
I
from
will
you.
not. It has been this is my open book. I may be right, I may be wrong. That's
That is
different.
immaterial.
But I'll speak out my heart. Yes.
Now, another thing,
Coming back to Dinesh Gundurao.
yeah, the former Karnataka. Yeah.
Do you know, I was with him on that night
What night?
when he was mysteriously told to leave Goa
Yes.
because of malpractices.
Yes.
There was a mystery that shrouded that time. I was with him.
This came directly from the High Command.
Yes. I was there. I saw him distressed.
Okay.
And I was called to discuss those letters I had written to the president.
Okay.
I had not given it to him.
Okay. Okay.
You see, president only gave it to him to call me and mollify me. Make me understand. What understand? I am not, it has got nothing to do with me personally. I am not a, what do you call that, aspirant for a ticket. If somebody gets elected, party comes to power, the hope is that I will not say we are going to be saints here, but the misery that the Goans are suffering under this government could be minimized. This is my hope. Lessened, but I don't think it will happen. It will be worse.
You mean worse means because the government will, the party with the...
My God,
become
this follow.
more-
Worse, man. You have an LOP.
Okay, fine. Okay, sorry, I misunderstood.
No, it will be worse if these people come into
The
power.
Congress comes to power, you're saying.
You have an LOP who charge sheeted for JICA corruption. You have an LOP in whom the whole mining scam is sitting on his head. No clarity on that. The poor Claude Alvarez is struggling. And then now suddenly there's one party that just comes and says, we will adopt those rules. And where are these people sitting? Have they attacked the minings? Have they attacked? Now the other day, I think AAP raised one question. They produced a letter of, what do you call that? Pramod Sawant owning a mine. Our mafias did not know it. Has the LOP any time given us, these are the questions, raise it up? You have no correct to raise it up. Because the JICA is sword is hanging on your head. You cannot have it. There is a lobby here in Goa which is trying to save them. Fair enough. You get saved. Get out of it. But don't put the people into trouble.
But why is... Now...
So as I told you, Dinesh was removed from malpractice.
And
Then these people, these two, who are controlling the whole thing, the LOP and the PCC president, managed to bring him back.
Why? They're so close to him?
No. Now they are making him dance to their tunes.
Brilliant strategy.
Of course. I said it yesterday. The PCC president has got a criminal mind. He's grown up with a mind of extorting money on the borders by impersonating himself as a government officer. What else do you want? The LOP is a man against whom charges are framed. So what are you expecting?
According to lots of sources within the Congress, that most congressmen were not happy with the present PCC president. However, the High Command in its wisdom thought that he was the best president. Now you tell me one thing, is this rot, whatever you may want to call it or I may want to call it, is endemic, or if you change one head, things will change? Is it possible?
Yes, it is possible.
How? It's very simplistic,
See,
don't you think?
no. See, if the head changed, the whole body would have changed.
But the High Command is so strong.
I'm coming back to that.
Okay. Chidambaram is there. Again, I'm repeating. Tall leader.
I told you,
Gundurao,
how can you call him tall leader when he says the best way is silence? Hurry. That means he himself is silent, no?
And he doesn't know who's Michael also. Michael Lobo.
That also. And he's a strategist.
Amazing.
And he's a strategist. And he goes, I can understand if you ask about Kurtore candidate there. You have gone there, you and cry in that meeting from every speaker that it should not be taken. And you say, I don't know who the enemies.
Maybe he thought he was being extra smart or sarcastic.
Therefore, I told you, I didn't want to talk about that intelligence. I have seen a lot of tall leaders in Goa also. They are intelligent as long as they are holding positions. When the positions go, nobody looks at them. The intelligence goes. They use the power to flash their so-called limited intelligence.
Okay, another thing I want to add, like one of the campaign person who could possibly make an impact in Salsed, I don't know where else, is Reginald.
No way now.
Exactly. Wait, let me move on.
It was never before to me also. Never. I accepted it, but I kept quiet.
Oh, you didn't think he would make an impact?
Definitely not, man. All this will come out. How is he going to explain that he's sitting in a office given by the opposition to him, by the ruling party to him? And there is a report that he has put out a number of questions. Tell me one thing. Show me for the last 4.5 years what has he taken the government on to its logical conclusion.
Directly.
Do you know that I have taken up the sitting minister on Cerula land?
Yes.
And got it recovered.
Yes.
Ordered still the Supreme Court. What did the Congress do? Did the Congress even demand his resignation? They could not. They are all involved in this, including Reginald. Do you know the EDM festivals used to go on without paying the fees in time?
Yes, which you took. Yes.
I have gone 4 times to the court.
Yes.
7 crores were recorded by me. What did Reginald do?
Yeah, if you remember in my previous, this one of our reporters was embroiled in that case.
Correct?
Yeah, we are aware because we used to take on that. No, we have taken it. Government may not have, but
Now,
we have.
what did Reginald do? Very important. Our late Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar was in the ICU for 3 to 4 months. Never met with his ministers. What did the Congress do? What did Reginald do? What did LOP do? What did the PCC president do? Sergeant Dimoro went to the court. That forced the then Chief Minister to come in a very pitiable state on the Setu Bridge. After 3 days the judgment was given because he showed his existence. You see? So what are you talking they have done, man? And yesterday, he's caught on camera going at the midnight. It is like a thief goes to break the locks. When the police come in, he says, I was checking the locks. That's all. And he would have made an impact. Margam elections, municipal election, 2 wards of Kurtare constituency were sold. He didn't put up candidates.
But then they tied up with Goa Forward.
But
tied up
what
with,
they were
leader of opposition.
Please, my dear brother.
Yes.
Leader of opposition took all his Margam seats.
Correct.
Father that fellow took his seats. Why Kurtare seats were given to him?
That's what I don't know.
Money.
I really don't.
What else can it be? I will come out. When he was the Kadapa chairman, what he did? Now try to recollect. I don't want to still say it.
I'm aware, but that's a little too far.
No, that's okay. No.
Wait,
but
why am
when you say creates an impact,
I'm asking.
no way. And now, when you see his face that they caught, oh my God. And tell me one thing. You think people of Goa are so fools? Wait.
I was going to come to that. Because today what we see, even in many places, last time how the people put their trust in Congress, gave them 17 seats, right? Which was the highest by quite a bit. Now today also, are the people going to be so enamored by the Congress?
No way.
Or they are going to be so saying, no, we'll give them another chance.
No way.
Because I have not seen, now I am going on record because I have gone earlier also. I have not seen the Congress being an opposition in the past 5 years. In fact, the other smaller parties, including MG and all, have been much better oppositions. Even in the last assembly, what did you all do in the last assembly? This is the last assembly before election. What did you all do? How?
That's what I'm saying. No, I raised these questions in my letter on Made issue. You are walking out. So what is this?
Ridiculous. As it is,
You take the disqualification petition. Why did Reginald did not sign that petition? Why did the LOP did not sign that petition? So what is going on?
And it is a MLAs. The
Then-
LOP has to sign the
then-
petition. It's not, the PCC is not the correct thing.
When there was a Bhumiputra
Bill.
bill which we spoke, I and Dr. Ashish Kamath, I demanded the resignation of the revenue minister, that's
Yeah.
Jennifer Moon. Why? Not because she did anything bad. She had raised the pertinent questions, overruled by the chief minister.
Okay.
And therefore I said, if you are not respected your views, resign.
Fair enough. Yes, I remember.
Do you know that I was questioned by asking her resignation? I said, what do you
Wait. Who questioned you for asking the government resignation as an opposition spokesman?
ask the PCC president? No.
You mean the PCC president actually told
Are
you
you not
not to-
allowing us to talk on the casino?
Why?
There's a letter to that effect.
Official letter?
See, when the SOP was declared, casino was declared, the pandemic was just receding. It had not stopped.
Yes.
It could have been a third wave.
Correct.
So I felt that this is a very wrong move.
To restart.
We have to attack this and now warn the government that they will be responsible.
That is the opposition job anyway.
Right.
Forget about anything else.
So
At
now
least that's what I think.
Now I spoke to Dr. Ashish Kamath, who I believe also, who I believe is a very knowledgeable person, and he can get a lot of information.
Okay.
And he had some information. So he said, yes, we'll take it on. So I said, listen, I'm not going to tell the PCC president. It's like we informed the PCC president, we are having this. And you do it. He told him there's a document in that effect. Don't, by WhatsApp, do not take it unless you consult the LOP and Dinesh Rao.
So you mean the LOP and the Dinesh Rao were the people who were telling you not to take on the government? Literally it meant that.
No, he didn't mean that. The
What did he
PCC president pushed it that side. He was aware. He had full authority to say, go ahead. Why you have to consult
He's the
them?
president.
Then, wait. When it went to them, 2-3 days,
Nothing.
they said, we don't know. LOP told Ashish Kamath, wait, within 2 days, don't take it tomorrow. I called up Ashish. I was getting restless. What is happening? You are part of this? What is happening? So he said, no, I have to do one thing. Write a letter to them, stating what happened. And a copy to me. I got that copy, which I produced yesterday. Very clearly saying that I've been asking for this, and Trajan is speaking that I am a part of not having this. No, they don't care, yaar. These are documents.
It's either they don't care or they think that the people of Goa will vote them back in power.
No, there was one spokesperson, I won't take her name, a lady. When we had a meeting, we were there. She kept on, people are terribly against the, we are waiting. What you call it in political terms is anti-incumbency. I kept quiet while many other people were there. After that, we were 7-8, PCC president, LOP, Ashish Kamath was there, Dinesh was there. I asked her, madam, what you were saying there? No, people are just terribly against the BJP. I said, let me answer that. I've got tremendous differences with my wife. I'm not divorcing her. What? And just because my neighbor's wife and husband is fighting, I will get his that wife? Unless I do something to attract her. What has the Congress party done to attract the voters? Explain me this.
I will not explain to you, but I'll ask you a question.
Yes.
Salsit, once upon a time, was supposed to be
Bastion.
the bastion of the Congress.
That's what I said.
Till date, it is not going to vote for BJP. But, let me ask you, Avertan, Benjamin, and Benali Churchill. Okay, Churchill at least NCP, leave it. So, Avertan and Benjamin are supposed to get tickets in these two, and the people are still saying that no, we are with Congress. How is that?
If you are hearing that people are with Congress, those are the few people who have got it into their head that Ani Amka Kide Upay hai Congress.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
But the names that you have given up, I have no differences with anybody.
No, they are personal friends. Oh, that is a different matter.
In fact, if I am not mistaken, I met Benjamin there on that last day when Dinesh was.
Okay.
Yeah, he was there.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. I think, it was on that I met him once, it was that time only, last time. So, what you are saying, these two names, moment they get the ticket, or let us put it the other way, somebody else gets it, there is going to be a tremendous
Backlash.
backlash. With the 3-3, and this PCC president has created assurances and given certain. Yeah, you are telling me you try for Saligaon.
Sali.
So that Yati Studio fight there. So he increased his price. It's an auction now going on everywhere. You can hear it. If you don't want to hear it, forget it.
But Congress was known for these things, no?
There were no options.
At that time.
Today there are plenty of options. As you have pointed out, AAP has come in, TMC has come in.
And AAP is doing a lot of work on the ground.
Everybody is doing.
And TMC is not only doing work, it's also...
TMC is done work according to me. Data I'm talking.
Yes.
My information.
Yes.
No political party has got.
That
Data.
Probably BJP and AAP also have as much. They may not talk about it.
No.
People are a little open, but...
Congress is zero. Congress doesn't have their own leaders' telephone numbers. Some of them. This is the misery. And they don't have any address of mine to send me that I'm expelled. See, they show cause, forget here. 2017 I was expelled.
Okay, I remember that.
Then where is the question? Till that I have not received. I am by whole gist is one thing. What can I do to expose this and the people, if understand and accept it, how to uproot the BJP from power?
Fair enough. That is a secondary question. But right now we wanted to get into the present situation, what actually happened, what's actually happening within the Congress, and you as privy and even what I thought pretty close to the PC president once upon a time. So if you are talking this about various things, then maybe we should really have a rethink on what actually is happening in the grand old party, and probably the High Command also should have a rethink what exactly is happening.
Rahul Gandhi ji, 1 minute.
Okay.
He is on record to say Goa needs leaders with integrity and credibility.
Yes.
But he failed to name it. Another one more thing I will tell you.
Okay, sure.
That this president, there was a senior leader from Kalangut who met Rahul Gandhi in Delhi. And he said, he's on record to say that, why did Louisin leave? And he happened to tell him, because you are not listening to this property change. He was told, he said it on record, that Rahul ji said that I had offered it to Louisin. So that means this follows a stopgap arrangement. Anything can happen.
But this is too late now. Now I don't know if it is.
No, this is after Louisin left.
There was
The statement.
Yeah, okay.
The statement has come after Louisin left. To say that he had offered it to him. What is the meaning of that? This man is just kept there. For what and what? Nobody understands it. Which is the senior leader wanted him minus the LOP? Tell me this.
Probably the LOP is more powerful than all of you all put together.
Agreed. Therefore, I said, what is the chairman, Mr. Rejan, you're saying he's going to cut eyes? You think people of South are not going to ask him? You had said this man is swindling funds and I will not enter the office. Now, why did you enter the office? What did you receive? Or that was the wrong charge of yours. Confess it to the people.
Either.
Confess it. Make a statement. What is there? It was my error of judgment.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks, Rajan. And this is Trajan de Mello, as usual, as always, outspoken, fiery. Thanks, Rajan.
Thank you
very much.
God bless you. God bless you.
Thank you. And keep watching Goa 365.